Welcome to day 3 of our Rome walking tour. Today we're going to take you to the Colosseum, Roman Forum, and Palatine Hill. Oh, what's going on?
We just had a very brisk walk from the hotel to our meeting place for the Colosseum tour.
And there's the Colosseum. We got here with a few minutes to spare.
7 minutes to spare.
7 minutes to spare. And there's the Colosseum. And we walked about, it's a 2.2, it's about a mile and a half. We're following our tour guide. Rome was a kingdom, then a republic, an empire. Here's the Colosseum. We're gonna go into 1,000 years before Christ. The symbol is a symbol of the city, of the city. We're going to the heart of political, social, and religious life in Rome.
Okay, because this was the first place.
Oh, this was here.
Where
Romulus founded Rome here. In this. The Paradise Hill. The Roman what? The Roman Forum is here on the right.
Obelisks.
15 obelisks.
Why? Because the Romans stored in Egypt of the square of the famous Basilica of St. Peter.
Yeah, but the obelisks were removed in the original place and placed in what do you call this? Museums. Oh, in basilicas.
Of medium range.
Okay, this is the arch of Emperor Constantine.
The Colosseum is an elliptical building.
It's an
that
elliptical
consists
building.
in three concentric rings. One ring inside
Three
the
concentric
other. But look,
rings.
now we have just one.
Now
the
we
good
only have
and
one,
also
the
is
good one.
rebuilt. Okay?
And it's
The internal
rebuilt.
one, the first and
The
the
internal
second
one.
are
The
simply
first and the
not
second.
destroyed.
They've been
Are,
destroyed. The first and the
partially
second.
destroyed because
They're checking passports of people to enter, which is kind of. And someone was named Richard Gomez. You know, Richard Gomez is a movie star in the Philippines. The biggest temple built in Rome and dedicated to two goddesses, Rome and Venus, I believe. Museo del Foro Romano. This is what it is. We're going to the museum. There's our friend. We're still inside the museum, which used to be a temple, used to be a house of Nero. I am so confused. Oh, this is nice. This temple was dedicated to Hadrian was built by Hadrian. Goddess Rome is over here, and the Venus statues here was over here. Where are they? Where are they? I think, oh, they're going. I still hear her, but they're gone. This is the biggest temple built by the Romans. I better catch up. These urns here still look perfect, and they're 3,000 years old. Oh, here's another skeleton. Oh, and here's another one. This one here is one of a baby girl. I got left behind here. I'm getting left behind. Dun, 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 dun. Need to catch up. Where are they? Oh my god. I'm getting behind. We're going from one place to another. They really move fast. I need to catch up. There's a wonderful garden around here. Palatino Hill. Oh, this is Palatine Hill. Palatine Hill. This is a garden. Very beautiful garden. Many animals. And all the Roman statues. Roman statues. Plants. Many animals. Alexander lived here. The great fountain and the two cages. Oh, here's the fountain. Alexander was a great lover of nature and plants and animals. Big garden down there. This must be the top of the Palatine here. You can see everything. Really nice vantage point to see everything around. Wow. And there's Dave. This is what you can see from the top here. You can see a lot of people there. And look at that rectangular quad area there with all the ruins of statues. Look at all those ruined houses, I believe. And there's the temple. And the Colosseum is back there. That is the really big temple. Wow. There's the garden. Look at all the other temples here that were destroyed. Nothing but columns remaining. Basilicas over there. Wow. Look at all that. So this side here, all destroyed. We're going to the place where they put the remains of Julius Caesar after he was assassinated by his adopted son Brutus. I don't know. This was the first cemetery of the Romans 3,000 years ago. This is the temple of something, Antonino Pastina. Temple of Antonino Pastina. So we just left the Forum. I think we're gonna go to the inside the Colosseum soon. Don't know. Look at the line now, it goes all the way there and bends into the street down there. We're going on this way though. It's a good thing we went there earlier. The Colosseum was for gladiator fighting and for, what is it? Killing a beast and for something else. Forgot. Oh, you can see all those statues inside those arches of the Colosseum. It only took Titus 10 years to finish the Colosseum. Oh, the party was 100 days long after it was finished. 100. They killed 9,000 animals in 100 days. 100 days of celebration.
Okay. Are you tired?
No, we're good.
You're in the shade.
Yeah, this is good.
Oh, inside.
The Romans not where the Roman Empire around the 70s.
476. After the fall of the the Foro Roman Empire, people realized the value of this
Almost
place.
2,000 years ago with the Roman Christian, it was all lit up white building.
This used to be all white building after it was finished. Everything was white. Not only the outside, but
On the external side, the Roman Christian with a special temple, a special stone called Foro Romano.
they use a special stone that's white. All of the internal walls were white because
The bricks wall, the top wall, they cover it with white marble.
they cover with more white marble.
Ground,
The ground
was white.
was also
Wow,
white.
now they show you.
Look at all these people trying to go up. Whoops. Whoops, whoops, whoops.
No, because when you at 1 o'clock, people are wide aware of what they
Like a stadium.
the layer of the seat, and in the top of the layer, the seats. Like this one. They didn't sit in a chair, they sit in seats on like this. It was like a stage. Now the middle of go out. Which one is the Colosseum that you will see? Like I'm finished. Because they saw the entrance. All these parties, all the cars.
She's explaining how we see it.
I know the show wasn't made out. How to resist the road.
We're gonna go to see some good restoration work. Restoration work. Where are they? Oh, there they are. Here's some this example of restoration work. Oh, okay.
And so what did people decided to come and live here inside the Colosseum.
Look at this view of the Colosseum from up there. Okay. Cool. Very cool. Look at that. Oh my god.
The only, for example, white
That is
are the one in front of us, no? But you see
the
the
only
construction
seats
of the arena,
are
the
over
reconstruction
there.
of the track.
Everything there is missing now. All the seats are missing. There are 80 arches, 76 for the different cities, and then 2 for the emperors and 2 for the gladiators or something. So it's not African people that they were called, African animals. So here we're going through one arch. Where is David? Here we can see the reconstruction of the arena. So this is what it looked like before. White marbles on the floor. They were stolen. Everything was white marble. Yeah. So we're walking around. Yeah, I think it's the second level. Look at all this. Here's a column. Here's a column. And there were hundreds of columns here. But there were another column, another piece. We can see the reconstruction of the arena. All the, where is it? The tractors. The reconstruction. Look at all these things here. So those are the labyrinths underground where the longer for the gladiators. The short sides were for the emperor. Okay, our tour just ended here inside the Colosseum, and we can stay as long as we want. We'll do a few videos, a few more pictures at our own pace, and then call it a day. We're trying to walk back to our the Heracles Star Hotel, and there's the Colosseum. We just finished our tour, took some pictures. It was really nice. A little hot, but could be worse. Then we have to cross on this side here. Cross here, look. This side here. We need to go to the right here. Hello, what's going on?
We're in a Chinese restaurant.
We are in a Chinese restaurant.
A number of vegetarian items.
Yeah, but a lot of they had an extensive menu and a number of vegetarian meals. So we were walking to our hotel, and suddenly, just like an agave flower, it's there. It's a nice break from all the pizzas and Italian food that we've been having around here. We'll see how good they are. I'll tell you the name. I think it doesn't show it from in here. I'm having chicken chow mein. It's pretty good. What are you having?
White rice and braised tofu.
White rice and braised tofu. Looks good, huh?
Mm-hmm.